Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how we can create a countdown timer in Kotlin. For that we are going to import timer class. So in the top you are going to say import java.util.Timer. Okay. The last one is java.util.TimerTask. Okay. Now you can go to the position where you want to set the countdown. In this case, I have this method. So I'm going to say var timer. So I am going to create a new timer here by calling timer parentheses. Okay. And we can say timer dot schedule. Now you can put parentheses. What we will do is schedule a task to run after several seconds, maybe 5 seconds. In the parentheses, I can say object colon, then timer task parentheses, and then braces. Now in the braces, we are going to say override fun run. Okay. We got our run override method. After the curly braces, you will see this curly brace. Okay, before the parentheses. So you have to put the comma there and specify how many milliseconds you want to count. In this case, if we need 5 seconds, it is equals to 5000 milliseconds. That means a second is equals to 1000 milliseconds. If we need 5 seconds, you can say 5000. Okay, now in this run method, we can specify the action we want to perform after 5 seconds. I'm going to print something using println. You can say hello from countdown. Finally, we can check our application whether this works. Now we can see this hello from countdown is printed. I'm going to include this code in the video description so you can easily copy that and paste that in your code. Okay. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.